In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read reports on eBay, the ultimate tutorial for beginners. Understanding how to navigate and interpret your reports is crucial for managing a successful store on eBay. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access and make the most of these insights to improve your business performance. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Seller Hub. Once you're there, look towards the top menu and you'll find a tab called Performance. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Reports. This is where eBay houses all the insightful data about your sales, traffic, and overall performance as a seller. Navigating to this section regularly will keep you informed about the health of your eBay store. Now that you're in the Reports section, it's time to select the type of report you want to view. eBay offers various types of reports that cater to different aspects of your selling activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. Typically, you might find performance reports, sales reports, and maybe even inventory insights depending on your specific seller account. Choose the report type that aligns with what you need to focus on for your business. Once you've selected the report type, go ahead and open it. This step is all about digging into your sales data. Take your time here to familiarize yourself with the details presented. Typically, you'll find metrics related to your total sales, average selling prices, and graphical representations of your sales trends over a defined period. Make sure to note any patterns or anomalies that might stand out. Understanding your sales data is crucial because it tells you what's working and what might need adjustment. Keep an eye on which products are performing well and which aren't meeting your expectations. Finally, with this gold mine of data at your fingertips, the next step is to apply these insights to your business. Look for areas where you can improve. Perhaps there's a chance to boost sales by tweaking your product listings, or maybe there's a need to adjust your pricing strategy. These actionable insights can guide you in making informed decisions, leading to improved sales and a more successful eBay store. Regular analysis of these reports will help you stay ahead of the competition and continuously improve your business strategies. So that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively read and utilize eBay reports to enhance your selling experience. Remember to visit the reports section regularly and keep an eye on your data. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make smart, strategic decisions for your eBay business. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.